Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Okay, everybody, see you. The best dancer is going to get a gift from Madiba, and make sure you are in. The hashtag is Madiba Ibadan is the hashtag. Please don't forget to use the hashtag. Madiba Ibadan is the hashtag. And the person with the highest number of likes is going to get a gift from
I 5, iPhone 6, iPhone 7, all my love, iPhone 8, so me on the pump. I will be ready, me want to get for my dollar. 10 million for my our bookie wanted that. Want to go story me. Walking hotel me. Making that paper me. As a party for a kid. They will tell you how I get down. Logging Instagram. I'm a story. We're cool on that baby. We're cool on that baby. We're cool on that baby. Fool on that bullshit. We're cool on that baby. We're cool on that baby. We're cool on that baby. Fool on that bullshit.
Ala this judgment they go do now. Ala this man they get
Oh my darling, you know we love you. You are our money. You know you need this love. Indeed, oh no, oh no,
Hey, the CEO, calm down now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please a round of applause for the CEO of Mantiva. She's here to present a gift to the best dancer, phase 1. We're going to have another phase. She's the one. See how she fine like today bread.
Congratulations. Say thank you.
Thank you. Wait.
When we first started, say she doesn't have it dance. Say no, but if your man asks you where you get the bag, what you tell her? 70 years ago, they carry 50,000 back. Yeah. This bag will reach 100,000. It's not reach 100,000.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Gboah TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.